Hello everyone, my name is Marisha McGurk and welcome to my presentation on pests and diseases of okra. Now, several diseases and pests affect okra. However, I will only be discussing those that are of major importance. Shoot and fruit borer. The forewings is pale white with broad, wedge-shaped horizontal green band in the middle. Full-grown larvae are stout, brownish with milky white markings. Larvae bore into the tender shoots, tunneling downwards, and affected shoots wither and growing points are killed. The entrance hole is plugged with excreta. Caterpillars bore inside developing buds, flowers, fruits, and feed on inner tissues. Damaged buds and flowers fall while affected fruits are distorted. Fruit borer. Moths are medium size, pale brown, olive green to brown wings with dark brown circular spots in the center. Young larvae feed on tender foliage, while advanced stages attack the fruits, bore circular holes inside the fruit. External symptoms appear in the form of a bored hole. Jacids. Adults are wedge-shaped, pale green with a black spot on posterior half of each of the forewings. Nymphs and adults suck sap usually from the under surface of the leaves and inject toxins, causing curling of leaf edges and leaves turn red or brown. Leaves dry up and shed. On transformation into winged adults, they feed constantly on the plant juice. Whiteflies. Nymphs and adults suck the sap usually from the undersurface of leaves and excrete honeydew. Leaves appear sickly and get coated with sooty mold. Whiteflies are vectors for the spread of yellow vein mosaic disease. Green peach aphids. These are soft-bodied, pear-shaped insects with a pair of dark cornicles and a cordia protruding from the abdomen. Winged and wingless forms are present. Wingless forms are the most common forms. They cause water stress, wilting, and reduce growth rate of plants. Ants. Ants can be very destructive to okra pods. Ants feed on the moisture and sugar content of okra, causing discoloration or distortion of plants. Red spider mites. Nymph and adults are red in color. Infestation is severe in dry and warm atmospheres. Nymph and adults suck cell sap from under surface of the leaf and cause defoliation. Colonies are found in protective cover of fine silken webs. Root knot nematodes. Okra is highly susceptible to root knot nematodes. Root develop galls or knots of different sizes. The infected roots also become enlarged and distorted. Next, we will be discussing diseases of okra. Okra vein mosaic virus. Symptoms of this disease include interwoven networks of yellow veins enclosing islands of green tissues. In extreme cases, infected leaves become totally light yellow or cream-colored, and there is no trace of green color. Cercospora leaf spot. In this disease, spots are brown and irregular. The affected leaves roll, wilt, and fall. The leaf spots cause severe defoliation and are common during humid seasons. Fusarium wilt. Plants show temporary wilting symptoms which become permanent and progressive, affecting more veins. Leaves of affected plants show yellowing, lose turgidity, and show drooping symptoms. Fungus invades the roots, colonizes the vascular system, and restricts water translocation. Cutting the base of the stem reveals a dark woody portion along with dark brown streak on the side of the bark. Powdery mildew. This affects mainly the older leaves, petioles, and stems of plants. Increased humidity increases severity of the disease. Infection is enhanced during periods of heavy dew. The disease symptoms appear as blotches of a white powdery coating which are found mainly on the lower surface of the leaves but may appear on upper surface also. Damping off. This disease kills seedlings before or soon after they emerge. Infection before emergence results in poor germination due to damping off. Initiation leaf curl. This disease is caused by white flies. Symptoms are curling of leaves and mild or bold initiations on the undersurface of the leaves become thick and deformed. Most common characteristic is twisting of the main stem and lateral branches. Leaves become thick and leathery in structure and plant growth is retarded. Fruits become small and deformed. Now that's it for my presentation on pests and diseases of okra. Thanks for listening.